Hey, it's Eric G. Around the House is sponsored by Baldwin Hardware. For 75 years, Baldwin Hardware has been known for its first-class quality and craftsmanship in door and cabinetry hardware. As an alumnus of the Baldwin Hardware Design Council, I can say I have seen the details and quality from design to the finished product. If you're looking for a new style and old-world craftsmanship, I can tell you there is only one Baldwin Hardware. Check out what would look great in your home at baldwinhardware.com.
It's Around the House. When it comes to remodeling and renovating your home, there is a lot to know, but we've got you covered. This is Around the House.
Welcome to the Around the House show. This is where we help you get the most out of your home through information and education. Thanks for joining us today. Happy midweek special. I'll tell you what, guys, here in my area, we have been baking through the second hottest kind of string of days here in the Portland metro area where I live. We had our second hottest day on record a couple days ago, and today on Wednesday, we've got another third day of extreme heat. And I tell you what, this is rare. We don't get this heat this late in August, so it's a little bit challenging for everybody out there. So stay safe if you're in my local area. And of course, there's tons of bad weather across the rest of the country, so thinking about you guys as well. Well, today I wanted to talk about a lot of the misinformation that I'm finding out there on social media and even on manufacturers' websites. And this is about product installation. And when I do my TV segments, I tell you what, it gets interesting. When I'm doing my TV segments, I have to go search to make sure I'm doing things correctly so that I know I'm showing you everything correctly. And I tell you what, many of these products are tough. And if you go online and think, oh, I'll just find it on YouTube, there's some really bad information out there on YouTube. And so those are tough things. There are some people out there that I watch and go, wow, that's not even close. And they've got thousands to hundreds of thousands of hits on this video. This is, quite frankly, anywhere in the country giving you bad information. And, that's pretty tough. I'm not going to call a single company out by name. I might call out a couple influencers by name, but that's a whole other story. But some of this information is so poor that, to me, it's not reliable. And it's something that, it's kind of a pet peeve of mine. And what I don't like is when you get conflicting information, or even worse, no information. I don't like it when a manufacturer says, follow the ANSI rules for installation and you'll be good, or follow this brand's rules for... No, own your product. There is so much bad information out there. You've made it tough for installers. You've made it tough for anybody out there in the trades working, let alone a homeowner that's trying to do it right. They're spending the money to buy the product. They're spending the money to do it right. They're trying to research it to make sure they're doing it correctly. And I think as a company, you owe it to the public to make sure that they're getting the right information. And I know sometimes we've got attorneys, we've got all these things going on, right? It's pretty rough. So I just want to make sure that, the legal team isn't giving out bad information of, well, if you tell them how to do it, then we're responsible. No, just own it. Put it out there. Here's the best practices of how to install things. And you know something? The public will appreciate it. And if you have installation issues, then make sure that you cover it in those installation instructions. Provide videos. Do that stuff. I tell you what, I've had more issues over the last couple of months trying to find products out there. It's one thing if it's new. It's one thing if it's a brand new product. But I tell you what, it can take hours trying to find the correct information. And so I feel for you guys out there trying to do this stuff right and not having the company support. There are great companies out there that do it. There are companies out there that do it really poorly that kind of leave you hanging. And so this message is to all the companies out there, because we got a lot of you listening to this show. Make sure that every little detail, is put into those instructions. Spend the time, do it right. And you know something? You'll have a better product out there because people are going to try to put it in correctly. And if you make it easy to consume, the influencers out there that maybe haven't done it before or haven't installed your product before have a better chance of finding the right information so you have your products shown correctly. Now, I'm gonna spend a minute here. I don't talk shade usually, but there's some people out there that I say give out questionable information. And there are really two video creators that I skip over because if you look at the comments, it says for itself. There's plenty of trolls out there on the internet. I get them. Everybody gets them. But when you get a majority of the people commenting saying, wow, that's bad information, what are you doing? That's something that you should keep in mind with. And that's a good way to figure out how good the information is if there's 100 professionals on there calling you out saying, what are you doing? Then maybe that information's bad. So that's one way to kind of learn how to filter that. But there's a guy out of Canada that I just, I don't like the information, so I skip right over. And that one is Home Renovision DIY. And that one, and then the other one that I do is My Fix It Up Life. That's the other one that I just skip right over the top because the information to me is not valuable. And that's my personal opinion. Those are just two sources that I don't use. But there are plenty of other sources out there that are really good that I love to follow. People like Brent over at BYOT or Sarah Listy, Tool Girls Garage. And there are hundreds of other people out there that really care for what they're doing. And they are really doing right for their viewers, listeners, or whoever else they're working with. So there's a lot of great people out there, but there's some others out there that are pretending to be what I call, professionals out there that might not be either using the right information, outdated information, or quite frankly, they're trying to do something that they've never done before, and they're just, quite frankly, wrong. So a little bit of controversy there, guys, not trying to do it, but I tell you what, there's just so much bad information out there. And I feel bad because I deal with people every week that are out there trying to get this done correctly. And they're either getting bad information off of social media or not enough information from the companies. And, here's what I like. And I'm going to say this right now. And there's one I'm working with right now that's really clear. I'm getting ready to do a fiber on cladding segment. Those guys have some really good information. They've got really good partners. I don't want that to, that's the project I'm working on right now. I don't want to think I'm calling those guys out because that's not what I'm doing right here. They've got great information. So, whenever I'm working on a project, I'm not trying to be calling anybody into the bus, but I'm just talking our industry as a whole. We just need to get better with the information to our people out there. All right, guys. Well, I got to run. I'm heading out here to some other shoots that I've got going. We got some great stuff coming up for Around the House Northwest on television. And then make sure you head over to Around the House online. You can find the videos over there. We've, in another few weeks, we'll be over 100 videos again. So 200 videos now. So we're really cranking the video content out. And if you're looking for projects, inspiration, or even just made in America products, we've got a ton over there because each week we do one highlight of a company making stuff. And I tell you what, we had some fun yesterday. I was over at Tiger Stop. Those guys make some great tools over there. We'll be talking about them at a later date. All right, everybody, have a great rest of the week. I'm going to cut this down a little bit short. And we got a great show coming up this weekend on Around the House on the radio show and podcast. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys Saturday. Thanks for listening to Around the House.
Somewhere unseen and undiscovered, anywhere beyond the mean. Life is a love song, let's be lovers. We're all over the radio. Take my hand, I know where to go. All over the radio with you.
Hey, it's Eric G from Around the House. Are you planning a decking or siding project this year? If you are, you've got to check out my friends at Millboard. Millboard is a completely different kind of composite decking and cladding that enhances outdoor spaces with enduring distinction. Hand-molded from the finest oak, it realistically mimics the natural grain and color of premium hardwood. If you're looking for something that doesn't look like plastic and instead real wood, check out millboard.com. Make sure and check out that interview we did just a few weeks back. That's millboard.com.